Kweth maduond buch Jubilee mochung' korka jaod bura ma Iala Kanini Kega dwaro komiti mar twak kikro chenro magi sama gitieko ndiko lipodgi kawuono. Azimio motelo nondiko gwandruok e duond burano kaka moko kuom weche mowinjo twagi to kwethno ne siro duond bura mar Kenya Kwanza. Kega wacho ni weche duto mag telo mag duond burano owinjo we otwagi kod aput moyiedhi manono yuarruok mag duond buche.
Because the issues of Jubilee are in court. So when the matters are in court, I mean, it would be ridiculous, even in Parliament, when matters are in court, become sub judice. So there is no way Kioni and team can bring the matter of Jubilee to be adjudicated outside the courts. They are the same people who have taken us to court. There is no way you can take us to court. You have to decide where you want justice. You either want justice in the bipartisan team or you want justice to be dispensed in courts. For us, we are stickler of the law.